Hi everyone! How can AI help you learn a language? Today I'm combining two marvelous tools, free tools, yes you heard me right, that are going to create a lesson for you. I chose At the Airport. So let's start. First of all, we should learn the vocabulary. Then gap filling exercise to practice the vocabulary. What next? A dialogue at the airport which we can repeat, and then we're moving on to the second tool, and then we're going to simulate, to role play the dialogue. Let's do it. All the links will be in the description. First, let's go to Bart. I'm going to ask him to give me some vocabulary with images related to the airport.
Here's a list of vocabulary related to the airport with images. Airline, the company that owns the plane you will be flying on. Arrivals, the area where you go after the plane lands. Aisle seat, the seat on the plane by the aisle. Boarding, to go onto the plane.
Wow, can you see this? Marvelous, right?
Number, book, to reserve a seat on a plane in advance. Carry on, small luggage that you can take with you on the plane. Check-in counter, the place where you show your ticket and ID. You receive your boarding pass here. Customs, where a plane area with lower prices for seats. Flight, a journey by plane.
Now let's practice this vocabulary with some exercise, a gap filling exercise. And all you have to do is ask.
Sure, here is a gap fill type of dialogue where you use the airport vocabulary. I'm so excited about my upcoming flight to destination. I've already booked my ticket with airline. Sure, here is a dialogue at the check-in counter when you get to the airport to travel. Excuse me, can I check in for my flight to destination, please? Check-in agent, certainly. May I have your name and confirmation number, please? My name is your name, and my confirmation number is confirmation number. Check-in agent, thank you. Here is your boarding pass. Please have your passport and ID ready for the security check.
Now let's really role play it. Let's really talk with an AI, which is the best AI to learn a language. You have 10 minutes free every day. You can choose the language you want. You have a lot of them. Just go to Gliglish. Really, really brilliant. We can choose teacher or role play. Today we're doing role play. Choose the situation. Now just use your microphone to talk to Gliglish and you're good to go.
Passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Could you please confirm your flight details and destination?
Well, my flight destination is Australia and I should be leaving at 8 today.
Great, thank you for confirming. Now, could you please let me know about your luggage? How many checked bags do you have, and any carry-on or hand luggage?
I have one bag carry-on and I have 2 bags check in. Sorry.
Perfect, thank you for the information. Let me just assign you a seat. Is there a specific seat you'd like or any preference?
Well, I would like a window seat.
Certainly, let me assign you a window seat. Here is your boarding. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Now just use your microphone to talk to Gliglish and you're good to go. Just practice because it makes you perfect or almost perfect. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it and you can use these ideas to help you if you want to create a lesson and really learn and practice the language. You have to try this. It's really wonderful. So just go for it. You're going to love it and you're going to improve your language skills. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools and the best free lessons for you and your projects. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.